Nephrons in humans are composed of a renal corpuscle, capillaries in the glomerular capsule where blood is filtered, and then also sections of a renal tubule where nutrients are reabsorbed so they are not released in the urine and additional waste can be secreted. These sections of the nephron evolved in stages in vertebrate history. Notably, the loop of Henle evolved in mammals. But one can observe in this fish that the renal corpuscles are composed of glomerular capillaries, which have an afferent arteriole forming the capillary bed being drained by an efferent arteriole, and this is enclosed in a glomerular capsule so that the filtrate which leaves the blood vessels then exits into the renal tubule. Here in the fish are sections of the renal tubule lined by simple cuboidal epithelia. In some, you can observe the microvilli from these epithelial cells, which aid in the reabsorption of nutrients and the secretion of additional waste. And although there is no loop of Henle, as of the ancestors of bony fish, there was an intermediate segment, meaning that all sections of the renal tubule in humans, the PCT, the intermediate segment, which would become the loop of Henle, and the DCT were present in these osteichthyan vertebrates. In primitive nephrons, the coelomic fluid could be drained through a funnel-like narrowing of the nephric tubule that could also be accompanied by a glomerulus. And so some nephrons were filtering nitrogenous waste from both coelomic fluid and the blood. And one can observe this structure in these images from the fish kidney. Similarly, one can observe the same basic structure of the nephron possessed by humans in this frog. Note the glomerular capsules, in which glomerular capillaries are enclosed in the simple squamous epithelia of the glomerular capsule to catch the filtrate and then directed into the renal tubule lined by simple cuboidal epithelia. The same can be observed in the nephrons of this turtle. Both the renal corpuscles, where glomerular capillaries are enclosed in a glomerular capsule, and the filtrate can then enter the capsular space before going into the first portion of the renal tubule, and then the renal tubule lined by simple cuboidal epithelia, where nutrients are reabsorbed, such as water and salt, and additional waste can be excreted.